Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen and channel. I have one great rice recipe for you today. 1/4 tea glass of oil in my pot. And I put 1 tablespoon of butter. I open my half. Melt the butter. My fat is melted. I'm adding 300 grams cubed chicken meat. I cook until the color turns. I add 1 onion that I chopped. I cook for 2 minutes. I chop my onion green and I will add my red pepper. And add the peppers. I confuse. I cook until the vegetables are completely soft. After cooking the vegetables, I add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm cooking a little. I add 2 cups of barley noodles. I cook like this for 1 minute. I add 4 cups of hot water. I'm confused like this. I add some salt and pepper. I close the lid and leave it to cook on low heat. My rice has pulled its juice. I'm confused like this. My rice is cooked. I'm closing gold. I close the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. Our barley noodle pilaf with chicken and vegetables is ready. Take it easy to friends who will try. See you in brand new and practical recipes.